And while the parts were printing, we got a special delivery. That's right, it's Formlabs' new curing station compatible with Form 4 size parts that heats and cures parts 3 to 5 times faster than its predecessor. I got it set up, plugged in, installed the glass turntable, and powered it on. The rotary dial has a super nice tactile feel, and all of the Formlabs resin curing profiles are pre-programmed. Now, if only we had some parts to cure. Oh, there's some. Dang, that was fast. The parts were looking really good, but we've got a couple steps before we're ready to cure and assemble them. After removing each part from the build platform, which was pretty easy since most of the rafts overlapped, so it just came off in one huge section, I manually washed them in isopropyl alcohol using this finishing kit. We actually have a Form Wash L that totally automates this process, but we didn't have enough solvent to fill it up, only enough to fill this bin, so that's what we went with. And Formlabs provides this finishing kit as an easy, low-cost option for those who need SLA printing but are a little tight on budget. After about 5 minutes, I pulled the parts out and placed them in the Form Wash L's wash basket for a quick hose down with fresh IPA, not to be confused with the tasty beverage. Off camera, I set up a box fan to let them dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now, we're finally ready to try our new Cure V2. I took some of the parts and placed them into the curing enclosure, selected gray V5 from the profile, but before clicking start, I powered on our old Cure L, chose the gray V5 profile on it, and loaded in the remaining parts because I wanted to see these two units race. With the increased UV power of the Cure V2, we're getting a 5 times faster cure cycle than before, which already was very fast. I think this Cure V2 is going to be our go-to from now on.